So today we are going to discuss about WebRecorder commands. Where it will be means I'm taking to I think it's expired. Let me log in again. Okay. So I'm taking workbench. This is our workbench. Here I'm going to discuss about this WebRecorder commands. So here we have a lot of WebRecorders. So today we are going to learn about all these things. So here I have a use case. So what is the use case means? To register student details from the registration portal. So this is the registration portal. I need to fill up this web application, the required details. Okay. First, I'm taking open browser because first of all I need to open that particular page. I pasted that. So I'm saving this. Next one is I need to enter the data into these respective fields. How can I enter means first of all for that I need to open this portal in the Internet Explorer because whenever I use the open browser command by default automation anywhere will open that browser that web application into a IE only. That means Internet Explorer only. Remove it. Yeah, yeah, this is the page. So first I have to enter the first name, then second name, like that I need to enter all the details. So for that, how we can enter the details means here we have two commands to enter those kind of details. So one is manage web controls and another one is object loading. We can use any one of them. So I'm going to enter the first name using manage web control. So here it is asking us open new URL or select page. Already we opened the URL, so I'm going with the page. Go here. Here I'm able to find my required page. So I'm clicking on capture. So here putting the cursor. So I spied that cell. So when I clicked on this particular text box, so that's the reason my bot is able to spy that particular text box. See, type is text box, name is first name. See, like this it will be. So here I'm going to click on advanced view. So then this will open. So here we can customize the controls according to our requirement. We already discussed about this customization. So now here I am removing this one, as this is the text box. By default here option is came like text, set text. So apart from the different fields will be there. So I am selecting the set text, and here I'll say Rajesh. I saved it, and this time I am going to show you how to perform the same kind of operation using the object loading by entering the last name. So I'm taking the object loading, have selected the page, have selected this last name text box. Here I'll remove, let it be. So again here in the select action I'm selecting set text, and here I want to set the last name. I'm giving some delay so that my bot will work in efficient manner without skipping any characters from the given text. Save. Next. After this, what I have to enter? Email ID I don't want, mobile number I don't want. Now gender. I want to enter the gender. How can I do this means? Again I'm going with the WebRecorder. Again I'm taking manage web control. I'm going with the select page. I'm selecting the page. Sorry, I need to click on capture. Once I click on capture, I'm clicking on this box. So I'm going to the advanced view. Here, select radio button or get radio button status. I want to select the radio button. So I'm selecting this one. Here I'm removing the URL. Here, see, it should click on the basically on the male radio button. So I'm selecting the caption as well. So it should not be click on female. Okay. So that if I select this one, the bot will work more efficiently. Anyhow, I'm selecting the radio button. I'm saving this. Next, I want to set the date of birth. Forget about this. Okay, let me do this now. Again, I'm taking the page, selecting the window, and I'm going to capture it. So here I'm putting some date 15. When I come here, when I go to the advanced view, so here select item by text is there. So you will be able to select the item in the given text. So here 1 2. So this from day to 31 will be there. So you will be able to select these values only. If you give apart from this, it will take right now, but it will throw the error while developing. Sorry, while running. So I don't want this 15, so I'm deleting this 15. Yes, I'm giving 25 and I'm saying add to list. So like this I can, and again let me do next with the month as well. And this is the year. So here the year is somewhat is this, and I have to go with the month. So let me see the format of this. Okay, this time I'm taking the object cloning. I'm selecting the window. I'm capturing. I'm selecting this month box. Once I have selected, here option saying get selected, select item by text or select item by index. So I'll go with the select item by text. So here it will give me, so I can select one of this, or else you can select item by index as well, but that is not recommended. So here you can give 2, that means it will give February like that. If you say 3, it will give March like that. So but I'm going with this one, select item by text, selecting the April, saving this, and next I don't want to fill all these details, and I want to select the hobbies, and my this guy Rajesh hobbies are, one is drawing and next one is sketching. Let me do that. So again I'm taking the manage web controls. I'm going to set the page, capture. I'm selecting this option, drawing. So here set the checkbox status, check or uncheck or toggle. So I'm selecting the check because I want my bot has to select that hobby. That's the reason I'm saying check. Uncheck is it will unselect that one. Toggle means it will work in vice versa. If it is already checked, it will uncheck. If it is already unchecked, it will check. As of now, I want to go with the check only. So I'm selecting this. I'm removing this URL as well, and I'm saving this. And this guy is having one more hobby, so I'm going with the object cloning. So here remember this, you need not to use in this alternative order. So you can use all the management controls or you can use all the object clones. Just for the understanding purpose, I am showing like this. So how to perform the check a text box with the manage control and how to perform the text box with the object clone. The same way, how can we work with the radio buttons and how can we work with the check boxes, all these things. That's the reason. So here this guy is having one more hobby, that is sketching. I have selected this one and here uncheck, check and toggle. So I'm selecting the check and saving this. Once it's done, then I need to this out please. Select the course or apply. This guy is applying for BSc. So let me check the course. So we already see how to select the radio button with the manage web control. So that's the reason I'm going to show you now with the object loading. So I'm selecting this BSC. I'm putting the action as select because that radio button has to be selected. I'm saving and, here I'm going to say WebRecorder student details. Save. This is the page. I'm going to close this one. So now I'm going to run this one. Let's see whether it perform the expected actions or not. If not, we need to troubleshoot and we need to find the root cause why it is not performing the expected actions. So open the browser. Let's enter the name. See, it did all these things. So here Rajesh Kumar entered, date and month entered. We haven't done with the year. So here male has been selected. And if we come down, drawing and sketching has been selected and basic has been selected. So like this we can work with the web recorder commands and we can able to automate the web applications. So the next topic is downloading the files from the web applications. So I have to download any application or any document, whatever it may be. If you want to download something in the web application, how we can do it. So for that, I'm going to Workbench. I'm taking new here. If I go to the web recorder, so here I can see download file. So once I dragged it, I need to give the URL of the particular file, which file I have to download. So here I'm taking this one, copying. This is the application I want to download. So I copied this, I kept it here, and where I have to save it. I want to save this under my docs text.exe because my file is executable file. See here I am saying .exe, right? That's the reason. So here, sorry, I want to make it as test.csv. Saving this and I'm saving the task. Okay, I'm saving download file. Saved it. I'm running this one. So meanwhile, I'm going to open that folder structure. Okay, I think the download has been completed. So I'm going to that particular folder location, my docs. See, this file has been downloaded. Just now it's downloaded. Today's date 8/22. Now 8/23 time. So this is the latest file. Like this, we can able to download the applications or documents, whatever it may be, from the internet. Then let's go to the next use case. Extract table. These things we already done. Go to the extract tables. So read the data from web table on the web page. Already we are done with this second scenario as well. Then regular data. What is regular data means? We already discussed about the pattern data, this one. So, but we haven't discussed about the regular data. So regular data is a simple thing. If you want to extract any data from the web page, you can do that. So here only I am going to show that. So here I am selecting extract data option. So extract data. So here there is no option to select the page. So you have to select the URL itself. So then you have to click on launch. Once application has been launched, just click on capture. I want to get this data, approved and registration form data. I kept the cursor on this. Okay. I think this is not working on this particular application. Let me try with another. So simple. Let me go with the Google. Okay. And capture. I have to launch this one. Then I'm going to click on capture. So now I want to get this Google information. See, it is highlighting whenever I cap. So okay, I want to get this. I am feeling lucky option. So I selected that and I clicked on that. What happened? So it is not allowing me. Let me try this. Yeah, the Google is allowed me. So it's captured something and I'm putting into a variable. So if it is a image, we can capture that image as well. See, I am putting this image into my docs folder. Okay, I'll do like this only. Let's see what will happen. Saving this. Let me put the message box. Message box. Putting prompt assignment. Save. I'm going to run from this step. It's extracted this text because this is the image, right? Okay. Let me go and see what image it has extracted here. Nothing. Yeah, it's extracted here. The same image. It will take some time. Yeah, see Google image keep. Like this, extract regular data will work. That's about web recorders.